ready for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet, you're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are now on our way officially for our 2-week camping trip. And I know it was a bit of a long intro, but it is a 6-hour drive where we go. And so I just wanted to give you a little bit of a feel for what that's like. There goes the first bag of ice, and it won't be the last bag, trust me. Anyway, here's a little bit of an overview of what we brought with us that's packed into the boat. And then the car is entirely packed to the brim as well. We like to consider it a giant game of Tetris, basically. It is crazy. You do need a lot of stuff when you go for 2 weeks, and we end up forgetting a few things, but this year we did pretty well because we organized really well last year. So we're just going to make the final trek up to the campsite, and then I'm going to show you guys how we set up camp.
I don't want to stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you want to go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. The summer night, the summer night.
We got most of the stuff out of the boat, and now we're setting up camp. It takes approximately 2 days to set up camp because we set up for the first couple hours when we get there, and then the next day we set up the rest. So we take it in 2 big chunks. Mason is setting up the living room, and I'm about to put the tarp down so that Paul and I can put our new tent up. Now, I didn't get footage of us putting the tent up, but I do want to say that this was our very first time putting it up, and it only took about 15 minutes. It's a pretty big tent. So if you're camping people like us and you're looking for a bigger tent that's easy to set up, I will leave the link below. I got it on Amazon during Amazon Prime Day, and I only paid $130 for it. I think it's closer to $140 now, but it's definitely worth it. I was a little bit concerned with the reviews saying that it didn't hold up well in the rain, but you guys will see that it definitely holds up well because we had a massive torrential thunder, lightning, hailstorm. This thing held up great with minimal leaks, and the leaks were definitely our fault for not getting the tarp on right at 1:30 in the morning. So here is what the tent and camp looks like when it's all set up for the first day. And we still have to do the table, get the kitchen really set up, but so far it looks pretty good. And you'll see what the rest of it looks like later on in this video.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head.
Oh, I lost my hand. Huh? I'm gonna lose my hand. Actually, I'm gonna...
No, not with that. That's drinking water. This isn't drinking water. Only if we boil it is it drinking water.
What? I wanna wash my hands.
Okay, go. I got the water. Hurry. We don't want to waste water. You got when you wash your hands, you can wash your hands whenever you want. But you got.
It's very hot.
Yeah, it was in the boat all day. That's why. Here, wipe them off.
Can we go in the tent?
The world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over. Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep.
Yes, don't go on the ramp. Stay right there by the road.
Young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat.
we just put the boat in the water, and you guys saw that, and now I'm gonna head back up to camp. We're gonna get a list ready to go to the store, and then we are going to head downtown. Not really, it's one little store. I'm not gonna show you that because I don't want you guys to know where we camp, only because it's our private little spot and hardly anybody knows about it because it's tucked so far up in the California mountains. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the camp tour once that's set up, and then we'll go out on the boat and I'll show you the lake.
Here's a preview of the tent tour. You're going to get a full tour when I put up my cleaning and cook with me video on Thursday. But for now, I wanted to show you that I was able to put 2 mattresses, a queen and a full size, 2 camping chairs that both had tables, and a Rubbermaid chest of drawers, as well as my special camping potty. Stay tuned for that. After all the setting up, we like to just go and put the boat in the lake and take a nice spin around the lake for the first day. What's awesome about this place is that there's usually nobody here, and so we're usually the only ones out there.
We both know it's too late, but I think you already know. 'Cause it shows that every time you're around, I try to stay on the low, but it grows. That crazy feeling that I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. It's like I'm stuck in reverse, crashing back into you. What's the use? I wish that I could unlearn all the things you would do. Let me loose in that old feeling that I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. The harder we fight, we go deeper. It's only a part, we are weaker, so what are we waiting for?
Hey guys, what's up? So I think I dropped off after like the second day of camping, and for 5 or 6 days it was really peaceful, nothing really happened. But then we had a visitor to the camp, and I'm gonna show you that footage right now. There he is. There's a bear out there, but you can hardly see him because I'm in the tent. Kaka! Oh! Oh!
Wow!
Get out of my food! Look, stop on there. Stop.
Go get a shotgun.
We really want to scare him off though, so he doesn't come back.
I know.
He's probably eating all those marshmallows.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the car alarm.
Why don't you shout the shot?
No.
What?
Do it. Just open it. I did.
I want to scare him off. Look. Look at him. Come over here, Mason. You can see him good.
Oh yeah.
Wait. The camera's gonna die.
Great. Look at him. He's huge.
Okay, so later that day, my husband's brother showed up and we went to the store and we left my husband's brother, who's 26, and my son at the camp. Everything was fine. We came back, they went fishing, and when they went fishing, the bear came back. And I was the only one in the campground. There was nobody here. So if that wasn't enough, the night that happened, we were really scared the bear was going to come back, and we pretty much stayed up all night long and nothing happened. So that was cool. So the next day, everything was kind of fine. It was cloudy outside. This was last night. And all of a sudden at midnight, I woke up, about 12:30, I woke up and I had to pee. And I was like, is somebody outside of my tent? Because there was a flashlight, I thought. Turns out we were having a major lightning storm out on the lake, and then the thunder happened. And then about an hour later, a huge hailstorm rolled in with tons of crazy rain, and it was insane. So Paul and I had to get up in the middle of the night and put the tarps on, and it was so funny. I don't know why, but we were standing in the middle of the tent at 2:30 in the morning at this point, just laughing our butts off, like laughing our asses off, because it was just so funny that all this was happening. I don't really know why. And I tried to get all the footage from that on my phone, but for whatever reason, my phone camera did not want to take video of all the lightning. Hey you guys, so we've been up all night. Here's a little bit of what the tent looks like. It's kind of crazy right now. There was a big thunder and lightning storm in the middle of the night at like 1 o'clock in the morning until about 5, and we had to get up and get the tarp on. So I don't think we slept at all. But we're tired, and I'm drinking some Frappuccino instead of regular hot coffee because we can't find the lighter and everything outside is soaking wet. So I'll show you guys that when the rain lets up a little bit and what that looks like. Oh my gosh. Buddy. Yep, there he is. And there's AJ back there. All right. They finally got the fire going. They're wearing trash bags. Supposedly he got a lighter so I could make real coffee.
Under the stove.
Under the stove? Okay, I'll go see. Here. I don't want that. It's the only thing that's going to work out here. You look like a raisin. It's amazing. Oh, okay.
So, it's very rainy outside. We're staying inside. I'm making my book called Book 1, Season 1, Ninja Bulls and Snakes. And you can see the cover right here. It's kind of like a fire from the doggo. And it's scared from outside it's raining like crazy. And I'm very hungry.
What happened last night in the middle of the night?
My mom, turn around.
No.
My mom had to get up, and my dad too, and AJ, my uncle, had to put on the roof, the blue thingy. I don't know. But that's all happened today.
We're all tarped in because we had a thunder and lightning storm in the middle of the night. And Mason is in here, stuck in the tent, coloring, hungry. And we're afraid to go outside, but the boys are outside braving all the rain.
They're crazy.
Crazy boys.
They're crazy. Crazy boys.
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulder.